Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Being By Now. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuner for this song and we have a capo on the 3rd fret. If you're in need of a capo, there is a link to one in the description below, so feel free to check it out. However, let's delve in with the introduction. And we have 4 chords that we need. The opening chord is A minor, which is an open A. These numbers will be in reference to the capo. 2-2 on the D and G, 1 on the B, and an open E. We won't play the low E string for A minor. The second of the 4 chords is a G major, which is a 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 0-0, and then 3-3 on the B and E. If you're familiar with G major excluding that finger, then feel free to use it. It's just 2 different voicings of the same chord. Both will work great in this song. The third of the 4 chords is a C major, which is a 3 on the A, 2 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. We won't play the low E string for that chord. And the last chord that we need for the opening part of the song is an E minor chord, which is an open E, 2-2 on the A and D, and 0 on the remaining. So we're going to break down the strumming. So to move from A minor to G, we have so A minor to G. I've got this very quick change. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then I'm stressing a lot of the upstrokes. And then do the exact same thing for C to E minor. All of it together, it sounds like this. If you'd like the chord chart for this song, which includes the full structure and all the chords within that structure, including another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric go together, head on over to Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases, including a ton of songs from Morgan himself. So feel free to check that out. Now when the first verse kicks in, the chords stays the same. However, we just take it back a little bit, we don't play as loud, and we can palm mute. And all I mean by that is taking this part of our hand and resting it lightly on the strings. So we've got a little bit more of a refrained type of strumming. Now after you've looped around that verse 4 times, we get a pre-chorus, and well, looking over to the notes, it's exactly the same as the first verse. And well, the rest of the song is literally just taking the same 4 chords and looping them round and round and round. And it depends just on where you are in the song, depends on how hard you will play. So in the verse, nice and gentle, in the chorus, and so on. Basically, loop that round for a good 3.5 minutes and you get the full song. So there we go, that's everything you need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and apologies if it looks like I've been crying, I've got a bit of hay fever. So thank you so much for watching. I also want to say a quick thank you to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons, so when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.